What are the benefits of mindful eating?
Once again, let's talk about your fitness journey. Okay, so may question tayo. Okay, ano ba yung benefits of mindful eating? Actually, sa nutrition, okay, very important yan. First thing first, okay, be mindful. Okay, so alam naman natin, okay, sa Pilipinas, no, tumataas na yung yung sedentary lifestyle natin, and then puro buffet pa, no? Tama. But syempre nag-enjoy naman tayo. It's okay. Okay? Siguro once in a while, okay lang naman din yun. But okay, very important din. Okay, to be mindful, okay, na kung ano yung mga kinakain mo. Kasi ngayon, okay pa yan. But in the long run, okay, it actually affects your body, no? Our body din, no? Na pwede magkaroon tayo ng mga diseases, okay, which is yun ang iniiwasan natin, okay? So make sure lang to stay active lang, and then little by little siguro less to avoid those sugary products, sabi ko nga, and then mga saturated fats and trans fats, okay? And enjoy.
Leave your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!